The people coming into the trade now is -3%, and that compounds every year. So we're on a really steady decline of bringing people into the trade. We've got to, how can we, as a company, what do we do? How can we tackle this problem?
Well, I think you're on the right track with having this your school that you're opening.
Mm-hmm. So the apprenticeship program that we're offering, it's a 3-year program, 6,000 hours. We've been able to partner with TCR, and any of the kids that come in and come through the program, they're able to work with us 40 hours a week, and then 3 hours a week, 144 hours a year, they do their online training after hours. And at the end of the 3 years, they're able to graduate with an official associate's degree from the VOTEC. So the good thing about it is that they come out debt-free. Instead of having to go to college and have to pay for that, they're able to work here, learn the trade, learn the on-the-job experience, and be set up for life, and make really good money. So we can do that. What about the issue with people not valuing the trades?
I don't think people are going to value them until they don't have them, personally.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I'd agree.
And also, I think need to get into the schools more and talk to the younger people and show them that this is a good thing.
Right.
Being in the trades isn't as bad as it's been talked down over the years.
What are some things that's been said about the trade, and then how do we bring respect back to the industry?
I think for so long, college was pushed on people. Like, get a college degree, go into the computers and that type of career.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that the trades was just left out.
Yeah. What's the definition of a good job to you?
Job that you can work 40 hours a week, get paid well, insurance, benefits, stuff like that. For me, anyway.
Gotcha.
One that you enjoy doing.
Would you say, do you enjoy your job here?
I do.
Yep.
What do you enjoy about it?
People I work with, just the job atmosphere, the trade itself.
Yeah. And I guess that's a huge thing we need to be able to communicate, is letting people know that it's not, yes, there's tough days. There's, some days it's hard, and and some days it's not so hard, but it's work, and it's rewarding at the end of the day.
I like the fact that you care about us.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That we have weekly meetings and you do training with us, and you try to improve our lives.
Yeah. Because that to me, that's what it's mostly about, is for us to be the best person that we can be as an individual. Individual growth is huge, because I encourage individual growth. I want everybody to be the best that they can be, because I'm pushing to be the best that I can be, and I want my kids, my family, I want you guys. I want you guys to be the best, and I want to be the best, and that's just that's how we should do it. That's how you should live life. You have to move with integrity whenever we step, whenever we walk, we need to move with integrity. Can we, this little company here in Hotchkiss, Colorado, can we change the view of the industry?
We keep doing what we're doing and hope that other people follow suit. Kind of has to happen.
Yep.
It's like throwing a pebble into a pond.
Mhm.
You're gonna create a ripple.
Yep. That's it. Reminds me of the little boy that was on the beach, and he walked out there and he picked up a starfish and he threw it into the ocean, but there was thousands, millions of starfish on the beach, and he bent over and picked up another one and threw it back into the ocean. And then a guy walked up to him and says, "What are you doing? There's no way that you can save all of these starfish." But he picked up a starfish and he looked at the man and he threw it into the ocean. He said, "No, but I saved that one." And that's all it is. It's one at a time. If we just keep doing our job and we work together, and if we can do our part, maybe everybody else will do theirs. So that's all we're required to do is our part.